If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes. Also, click on the notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload a new recipe on this channel.
Hello, Namaste. Today I'll show you how to make toasted coconut chicken curry. This is a very unique recipe wherein chicken is simmered in toasted coconut paste. A very mild recipe and barely uses any spices. The ingredients needed to make toasted coconut chicken curry. List is also given in description below. First of all, take dry coconut or सूखा नारियल and dry roast it on medium heat. If it is fresh, use a little more. When it turns golden, keep aside and let it cool down. In the same pan, dry roast chopped onion or pyaz. Add in peppercorn or kali mirch, green cardamom or hari ilaichi, cumin seeds or zeera, coriander seeds or sabut dhania. Also add in some curry leaves or curry patta. If you have fresh, then add when adding onion, but I had dry ones today. When onions are a bit dry, keep aside and let them cool. When the coconut and these spices cool down, put in a mixie, add in water and make a thick paste. So very little water added. Heat oil or tel in a pan, add in Bayleaf or tejpatta, some chopped onion or pyaz and fry till the onions turn translucent on medium heat. Now is the time to add in homemade chemical-free ginger garlic paste. Click on the eye above or link is given in description below and fry until the raw smell of ginger garlic goes away. Add in few curry leaves or curry patta, tomato or tomato and slit green chillies or hari mirch. A brief mixing and add in wash clean chicken pieces and increase the heat to high and add salt to it. Stir fry or cook the chicken on this high heat for about 3 to 4 minutes until the chicken releases some water. Now reduce the heat to medium-low, cover and cook for about 10 to 12 minutes till chicken is almost done. Open and check. Chicken has given a lot of water. Add in the toasted coconut and spice paste. It is a thicker paste. Add in to the chicken, mix and keep stirring. Cook on medium heat until the chicken is fully cooked and soft. Now you may dry it a little more if you are serving it with chapatis, even with parathas or dosas. This can be relished with choice of bread or rice. Whatever you serve this toasted coconut chicken, you are going to love it anyway. So my friends, what are you waiting for? Start toasting your dry coconut right away. Thanks for watching.